Dungs, Combustion Controls. We design, produce and certify customized gas systems for the heating, process heat and gas engine industries. Dungs gas systems are proving themselves all over the world wherever safety, reliability, quality and energy efficiency are in demand. For applications such as hot air drying, dosing of regenerative biogas in gas engines, or in the production of paper or foods, steel making, or the highly efficient combustion of hazardous waste. Dungs gas systems always provide the optimum solution for any kind of industrial thermal process. And we provide solutions for all types of gas. We have a global network in place at 7 locations across 3 continents that's locally focused on customers like you. Within our international production network, we design and produce gas systems for the process heat and gas engine industry that fulfill the consistently high Dungs production standards. We invest in our engineering staff to ensure they have the latest knowledge to meet the widest range of requirements for the design and manufacture of complete gas systems. Licensing according to CE, EAC and ULCSA guarantees compliance with local and international regulatory requirements. We offer quality right from the first consultation. Our experienced personnel take the requirements of our international customers into account. The functionalities and technical implementation, timetable and definition of the framework conditions are all developed and implemented together. With our own engineering teams and decades-long experience in special applications, we work hard to find the optimum solution for our international customers. Dungs gas systems are custom designed and adapted to meet any specific requirements. We provide complete 3D CAD drawings and documentation in the relevant local languages. Especially for complex applications, Dungs know-how is the basis for success. We provide highest quality manufacturing and one-stop service worldwide. The strict Dungs manufacturing standards and our rigorous quality guidelines guarantee consistently high quality from all of our branches. Within our international manufacturing network, we are able to flexibly adapt our services to specific requirements. With more than 100,000 gas systems produced and more than 45 years of experience in the manufacture of gas trains and complete systems, we know the industry better than anyone else. We set the highest standards for the reliability and safety of our products and system solutions. Every Dungs gas train and system is subjected to a standardized leak and functional test prior to delivery. Dungs guarantees the traceability of its gas systems down to the single component level, using the latest barcode and ERP interfaces. We support our local and global customers and are close at hand all over the world. From the production and correct technical documentation right through to customs clearing and commissioning. Dungs turns on the power. Dungs, Combustion Controls. Safe and secure for the future.